Hello, in this video I'm going to show you four basic keyboard shortcuts you need to know. So I have two text files which I opened in Notepad, example 1 and example 2. My example 1 has some text in it, so I need to copy this text to my second file. So I need to copy hi how are you. For that I need to first select hi how are you with my mouse, and then the shortcut to copy is Control plus C. Okay, now it's copied to my clipboard and I need to paste it here. So I come to my second file, and to paste the shortcut is Control plus V. Yeah, here it is. Hi, how are you? So the first two shortcuts are Control plus C for copy and then Control plus V to paste. So the next one is Control plus X, that's used to cut. So I'll show you an example. So here I have two lines. Hi, how are you? And I'm free. Sorry, I'm fine. So I don't need this to be here. That is, I don't need I'm fine to be in this file. So I need to cut that. For that, I need to first select that line and press Control plus X. Yeah, it's gone. It's cut. If you want to repaste it, just press Control V to paste that. So I don't need that. So I press Control plus X. Sorry, for that first I need to select the line and then Control plus X. Yeah, it's good. The last one is Control plus A. I'll show the usage. For that um, I will press Control V to bring back I'm fine. So my example one file has two lines now. And what is the usage of Control plus A is it will select the whole thing in that file. So I need to select the whole thing. Hi, how are you? And I'm fine. Then I need to press Control plus A. Yeah, everything is selected. Now if you need to cut that, press Control plus X. If you need to copy that, press Control plus C and you can paste it here. Yeah, everything is copied and now it's pasted. So that's it. The four keyboard shortcuts, there is Control plus E, Control plus C, Control plus X, Control plus A. Okay, thank you.